Educational platform, teaching and training with Mrs. Fazer.
By positioning the tongue in the middle of the mouth. The jaw is in a partially open position. The tip of the tongue is positioned behind the lower teeth. The lips are unrounded. The is lax, so it is short in duration, just like this. When you produce the correct you can feel vibration in two places. These are in the vocal cords and at the center of your tongue. The way to produce the is actually the same as the way to produce the The only difference is that the is a stressed vowel, while the is always unstressed. For this reason, the is relatively bigger and longer than the Now, let's talk about how the sound is written in English. You, us. OU, young. O, of, ton, other. O something e, one, some, love. OO, blood. OE, does. A, was, what. E, the.